Spring is coming and it is time for me to get a great pair of gardening shears, so I went with the GrowIt gardening shears. And the reason I picked these is they're exactly the right length, 3/4 of an inch that I want, and they are carbon steel. They are meant to last. So let's check them out. Now they have a rubbery foam on the handles that actually feels really, really nice in my hands. It feels like something I could trim with for a long time and not build up calluses or anything while working with these. And I can also feel that on this one in particular, there are some divots underneath it. I cannot actually get these off to show you, which is a good thing, but I think this piece right here, which is a solid piece all the way through of steel, has some finger grips right in here that feel really nice. To lock and unlock is simply twisting this open and closed. Really solid release. They open up really wide and pop open very easily. They're actually quite large. Be better for larger hands. I would not recommend these for kids just because they get so big, but I like that as it allows me to really get in and trim branches and not have to worry about them not opening up all the way. They really do have a strong spring load there. To take care of your blades, you can sharpen them and lubricate them, and that will make them last a really long time. These are designed to last forever. The only reason people usually get new shears is because they don't bother to sharpen these blades, but these blades also should stay very sharp all on their own. Okay, let's put these to the test. It had no problem cutting this super strong branch. And yes, it's a pretty healthy branch, so it does take a little more work to cut through these pieces. But it cuts through them cleanly, it works really well. I'm really happy with the GrowIt shears. They feel good in my hand. I know they'll work well this gardening season. GrowIt shears.